Hi, I'm Bianca Dadaro, Product Manager at Estateably. I'm excited to announce that you can now create custom transaction categories through the new Transaction Categories dashboard on your organization settings, a feature designed to make Estateably work the way your team does. Every organization tracks transactions differently. Now, with these customizable settings, your organization admin can tailor these categories to fit your internal accounting structure, allowing you to do the following. Define categories for estate, trust, and POA files. Set withdrawal or deposit cash flow type. Set the money type to principal or income for US files, or capital or revenue for Canadian files. Enable or disable transaction categories without affecting the historical transactions. A bulk import standardized category sets via Excel or Sheets for faster setup. I will now walk you through how to configure and use this new dashboard in more detail. We'll begin in the estate accounting module by adding a new transaction. As I start adding this transaction, you will see that I cannot find the transaction category I'm looking for in the drop-down list. In this case, a new category needs to be created. It is important to note that only organization admins have permission to add and manage transaction categories. To create or manage categories, go to Settings. From the left side menu, go to Transaction Categories. This will open the Transaction Categories dashboard. On this screen, you will see a list of system categories which cannot be modified, and a section for custom categories which we'll be adding to shortly. You will also see a list of filters at the top of the page, a search bar where you can search categories, and tooltips that provide additional information when you hover over certain fields. These tools help you easily manage and organize your categories. To create a new category, click Add Category. You will need to complete the required fields. Some fields are multi-select, while others are not. Click Add Category. Once all required information is entered, the new custom category appears in the list. From here, you can edit the category to update its details, or you can delete the category if no longer needed. If you delete a category that has already been used in transactions, the category will be removed from future selection, but existing transactions that use it will not be affected. You will also notice an active toggle. Turning the toggle off will disable the category. This means it won't appear as an option when adding new transactions, but it will remain on any existing transactions where it was previously used. You can turn it back on at any time. If you need to add multiple categories at once, you can use the bulk import feature. Before uploading, make sure your spreadsheet is formatted correctly. The file must be in Excel format. The columns must match the required system formatting in order. I can show you the file sample you can use. As you can see, the columns match the system columns as well. Click Bulk Import. Click or drag and drop your file. Click Next. A preview screen is displayed showing you the information you're about to import. Carefully review and click Add Categories. Once imported, the new custom categories will appear on the dashboard. You can also use bulk action, including bulk edit or bulk delete. To do so, select the categories you would want to either delete or edit. In this case, I will just delete the first two transaction categories. This allows you to manage multiple categories at the same time, saving you time when making larger updates. Now, let's return to the estate accounting module. When I add a new transaction and open the category list, I can find the categories that I've added via import. And voila, the transaction is added with the appropriate category. This confirms they've been successfully configured and are ready to use. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@estateably.com. Thank you.